Hi everyone! I will now present Teemew and the numerous features of the virtual event solution. On this screen, we have two choices. First, you can go through a tutorial to get started with Teemew in less than 5 minutes. You can then customize your avatar. Once your gender chosen, you can now choose from several faces by default, or opt for a personalized face by taking a photo of yourself beforehand. Our software will generate a 3D face from the picture you have chosen. And there you go! I have my digital twin. You can then select your hairstyle, even your beard, and finally your outfit by changing the style and the colors to your liking. When you launch the Teemew app, you arrive in the hall. In front of you, you will find a reception area where hosts can guide you and answer questions. To interact with someone is very easy. Just click on that person's avatar to add them as a contact or start a chat. The chat is very complete. There's a part for private conversations, as you can see here, in which you can chat with the participants in private, but also create a group chat. There are even public chat rooms in each space. In Teemew, you can have voice chats. To do so, you can go to a chat room. Within these spaces, you can exchange ideas and have one-to-one discussions or with others. The sound is spatialized in all the audio areas of the solution.
It's really fun to see these avatars move and react to the participants talking.
You will feel like you're actually there for real. And to reinforce that sense of virtual presence, you can see the avatars come to life and be animated when you talk, turn your head, and interact. To discover more spaces on Teemew, I will now speak about showrooms. Showrooms come in many sizes and styles and generally offer the same types of features. There are several styles of showrooms. For example, the neon style for a more tech universe, the nature style for a much more zen and refined universe, and finally, the corporate style for, as its name suggests, a more professional universe. In a showroom, you will find a reception area, presentation screens, and even a free discussion area where, as in a chat room, you can chat with other people by joining this area. There is also a private chat room. Here, the person sitting on the black seat gives or not access to people to enter this area. Finally, on all the panels that you can see across the areas, you can share and watch videos, photos, or even PDFs to learn more about the exhibitor. Visitors can like and download the content that interests them to have access to it later. You will then find the presentation area that you can see here. The speaker can share content with the participants. To make these presentations more interactive, participants will be able to ask questions by simply pressing the raise your hand icon. The speaker will then give them the floor. We will now discover the auditorium. This area has its own calendar, and thanks to it, you can register and see upcoming presentations. If you're too far away, you can teleport directly there. You receive a notification when the event for which you're registered will start. When entering the space, the conference will be moderated by one or more presenters who speak and share content. This gathering space is larger than the other areas. You will find various features such as the written chat in order to interact with the presenters. To finish the tour, here is the workshop area where, as you can see, a stage allows the speakers to share the same information to all the participants. Here, we come together into groups. Each table has its own screen, which allows you to work in small groups without hearing the rest of the room. And there you go! Let's meet soon on Teemew!